In this video, I will talk about how to set powerful goals that keep you motivated. It's essential to understand your true goals and the real reason behind them. Of course, the step one is define your goal. Start by writing down your goal. It should be not a process, but a result. For example, I want to lose weight describes a process. Instead, try I want to weight 60 kg. Be specific and outcome focused. Additionally, your goal should focus on what you want, not what you don't want. For instance, instead of saying I want to stop procrastinating, say I want to be more effective. Step 2. Understand your why. Finding your true why is crucial because it fuels your motivation. There are some strategies to discover your true why. Strategy 1. Listen to your emotion. Imagine you already reach your goal. What emotions come up? You should feel excitement or energy. If you don't, it may not be a true goal or reason. The right goal will ignite your motivation. Strategy number 2. Ask why 5 times. This method helps uncover the deeper reason behind your goal. By the 5th why, you will usually arrive at the core of your motivation. Step 3. The role of your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind responds powerfully to emotions. Visualize the details of your achieved goal. What does your life look like? Who are the people around you? What is your income? What does your house look like? What the family looks like? Visualization is a powerful exercise. It not only energizes and motivates you, but can also help you clarify and refine your goal. But you need to feel emotion during visualization. It's crucial. Feel emotion when you're imagining the house. Feel emotion when you're imagining your family. You may even decide to rewrite your goal to make it more specific after this process. Step 4. Make your goal more specific and measurable. Your goal needs to be more specific so you can measure progress. This way you will know when you reach and how far you'll come. Focus on what you can control. Step 5. Identify what aspects of your goal are within your control and focus on those. For example, your goal is to lose weight. Focus on healthy eating and regular exercise. These are controllable factors. Most of the time, people focus on what they can't control. Step 6. Set a deadline. Set a realistic deadline for achieving your goal. Consider your current situation. What is your starting point? What habits do you have now? Set a timeline that is achievable. It's a good idea to double the time frame you initially set. So let's consider a specific example. Let's say you want to lose weight or gain weight, whatever it is. Step 1. Define your goal. I want to weigh 55 kg. It's the result, it doesn't describe the process, and it's what you want. Step 2. Understand your why. Let's use the strategy 5 why. Why do you want to weigh 55 kg? Because I want to look good. Why do you want to look good? So people will notice me. Why do you want people to notice you? So I can attract more people. Why do you want to attract more people? So I can find a partner. Why do you want to find a partner? For companionship and support. It's just an example, but I hope you understand the idea. Step 3. Use your subconscious mind. Visualize the success. Imagine you reach your goal. Picture yourself being admired by others, spending time with like-minded people, feeling healthier and more energetic. The more detailed your visualization, the more powerful it will be. Feel the emotions. Step 4. Make your goal specific and measurable. I want to weigh 55 kg. I will go to gym 3 times a week. Reduce fast food consumption by 50% and eat more salad and fruits for dinner. Just an example. Step 5. Focus on what you can control. Write down actionable steps, such as eating healthier and going to the gym regularly. Step 6. Set a deadline. Assess your current weight and define habits to change. Consider progress takes time, so give yourself extra room for unforeseen challenges. And the most important thing, look at your goal regularly to stay motivated and focused. So in conclusion, define your goal, understand your why, use your subconscious mind, make your goal specific and measurable, focus on what you can control, a certain deadline.